Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the essentials ready and signing in. Make sure your Xbox 360 has the latest system update and a stable network connection. This prevents interruptions when browsing or downloading. Once connected, sign into your Xbox Live profile using your account email and password, because purchases and downloads link to that account. Then navigate directly to the dashboard and select the Marketplace tile to start. Doing this first saves time and ensures you can access content immediately as you follow the next steps. Once inside Marketplace, focus on finding the content you want and understanding what it requires. Use the search function or genre filters to narrow choices. This helps you avoid scrolling through unrelated items. Make sure to preview descriptions and screenshots so you know file size and storage needs, because some downloads need an external drive or clearing space. When ready, choose Buy, Redeem Code, or Download. Then confirm the payment method or Microsoft Points balance so the transaction completes without errors. After purchase, watch the download appear in your queue and make sure it's directed to the right storage device. You may move or prioritize it so larger files finish first. Once download finishes, install and launch the item, and then check for system or content updates in My Games and apps to ensure compatibility. If something fails, troubleshoot by clearing the system cache, testing your network connection, and restarting the console. These steps often resolve stalled downloads or license errors and get you back to playing quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.